Tom Sunbird is out here at Cars and Coffee. Look at the power. God, she's a pretty car. Love the velour, the 80s red velour interior. It's awesome. We're out here at Koffi in Rancho Mirage. Koffi's way down there. We've kind of taken over the whole street with all of the cars. With some members of Great Autos of Yesteryear. Newer Camaro. Older Camaro. Kinds of goodies. Dodge wagon. 56 Dodge wagon. I think our buddy Charles Phoenix needs to do one on this wagon. God, it's awesome. Check out the picnic set. Wagon's awesome. Look, it's Bubba's Cadillac. You guys don't know the backstory on this. This is my grandmother's. It is now mine. Not the best, but it's nice, and we love it. Next to Bubba's Cadillac is Aquanetta, Steve 69, Mercury Monterey. We've all seen this car in the videos, all the stuff we've done. Here it is in the wild. And for the record, I had to take the carb apart when he got here because the float sunk. Oh, and B17. Anyway, back to the cause. So there's Aquanetta out in the wild, hanging out with her friends. 67 Grand Prix. Beautiful. This car is similar to Tom and George's. It's actually owned by another member. Doesn't have quite the options that Tom and George have. But man, it's beautiful. Camaro is out of here. Rolls Royce. Another Rolls Royce. Peter's T-Bird. So beautiful. All these cars belong to members of Great Autos of Yesteryear. Great car club, great people, great times. And look, another T-Bird. Catalina. And then I've always got a place in my heart for the Fox Body Mustangs. a great variety of cars out here today. Also, Cordova, looking good. And then check out this Survivor. This car's so cool. Dig it. Fresh top. That's all she's got. Great autos, great time.